a Siphonophore, with a cloak of lethal stinging tentacles. Siphonophores repeatedly clone themselves and so grow to immense lengths. This one measures 45 meters and is the longest animal ever recorded. With such deadly predators around, creatures here go to great lengths to hide. A glass squid, completely transparent, except for its eyes and stomach. So it is extremely difficult to find in the gloom. Below 1,000 meters, all traces of sunlight have disappeared. This is the midnight zone. Catching food in the perpetual darkness is not easy. A gulper eel. Its giant extendable mouth can engulf prey larger than its own body.